How to delete contacts coming back in iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, what you want to do is, you want to make sure if your iCloud is turned on for contacts or not. For that, what you need to do is, you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Tap on your Apple ID. Now you want to go ahead and tap on iCloud. Turn on the toggle button for contacts. When you do that, all the contacts will be saved to your iCloud. Now when you go ahead and open your contacts and try to delete it, it will be deleted completely. For example, I want to delete this A contact, tap on it and tap on edit, that is on the top right corner. After that, you want to go ahead and scroll down to the very bottom. Now tap on delete contact. Tap on it again. And now, deleted contact will not come back again. So that is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.